Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment gossip, entertainment, don't only celebrity gossips. If you are someone who likes gossip, this is the channel for you. So guys, yes, Anna here. Today we are talking about Cindy Makhathini, the famous Cindy Makhathini. Cindy Makhathini is currently going through the most, guys. She is currently going through the most, and logo kuyapayelana roots, So Cindy Makhathini posted a picture on Twitter. I'm just gonna call it Twitter, but I know you guys call it X and it's X. I'm just gonna call it Twitter, but we all know what I'm talking about. Okay, I posted a picture on Twitter, looking all cute and glam, and then some guy shared the post where she posted her picture and then wrote a caption, Yoguti, will you please marry me, or will you please be my girlfriend? Ne? And then Jackie Pamute commented, Uguti, only if she can stay away from my husband's DMs. Hey bana. Just like that, Nje, you are exposing and exposing, And then people were like, hey, well, Jackie Pamutsa is married. Since when? We didn't know that. Even I myself didn't know that. Even people on Facebook have been saying, Utaibo nini, but guess Anna, fact of the matter, Oguti, she is married and she is accusing Cindy Makhathini of being in her husband's DMs. So guess Anna, the news circulated until it reached Cindy Makhathini. And then girl was like, you know what? I will not stand this. She sent Jackie Pamutse a DM, Cindy Makhathini. She was like, girl, how dare you? How dare you tarnish my name like that? How dare you talk about me like that? I don't like married men. I do not date married men. If you say when I was in your husband's DMs, please provide proof, okay? Please post screenshots where I was chatting with your man so that I can know, because I don't know what you are talking about. And then Jackie Pamusta's response was like, no, I don't have anything to prove, Mina. I know what I saw. I saw what I saw. And there's Poppy acting. Don't, I can't be exposing. I'm chats. Hi, bana. So when you were commenting laphana ukuthi someone is busy in your husband's DMs, bowuyicabanga lapha iPoppy Act. Hi Sana, talk about double standards. And then Cindy was like, no, I want to clear my name. So if when you saw me at like Wuma DMs with your husband, I could just post the screenshot, girl. Just expose me, expose our chats. Spawny, because I never ever had a chat with your husband. And then Cindy Makhathini was like, she posted a story on Instagram saying, you know what, guys, I want to clear my name, and I am even thinking of taking this further. Because like, okay, she is tired of people saying bad things about her, and I understand shame. I understand. I think maybe people judge her, according to her past, and okay, she is no longer there. You are trying to change your life, but people they keep digging, even when it's not diggable. So, Kesana, Cindy Makhathini said she is thinking of taking this matter further because she's tired of people doing this to her. Because Ukel doesn't have proof. If maybe she provided proof, so on Ucheki Pamutse is telling the truth. Cindy Makhathini is busy in her husband's DMs. But Kesana, speaking of people dating married men, Mos, our investigators, our detectives, they went to search and search until they found Jackie Pamutse's picture where she was dating a married man, guys. This was in 2012. And then people were like, hi, when Jackie Pamutse, you are the last person to be judging people that want to date married men. Because when in 2012, there's even a picture, a whole picture. In 2012, Jackie Pamutse dated, allegedly dated this guy who was married, and Jackie Pamutse knew that this guy was married. The name of the guy is Pet Banda. So already we are born. you know. So the name of the guy was Pet Banda. He was married with kids, had a family, and guys, it gets hotter and hotter. Kuthiwa ke sana allegedly there was a time where this guy was taking his family on a vacation to Germany. Ne? Guess what? Jackie Pamutse tagged along, guys, in allegedly. She allegedly tagged along with this married guy and his family. She was there as a side chick. What's it? Anisali, I am going to Germany, you know? But guess Anna, we know what we don't judge people by their past, right? As Usindi Makatini said, Uguti, people are judging her by her past, and she is trying to change. Jackie Pamuza is a married woman now, so she has changed, right? But for her to be judging people that are dating married men, sana, sana, knowing very well ukuthi Twitter has investigators. Kunama investigators laphana, you can't hide anything, you know? Guys, as we were still talking about Usindi Makatini, you know, like Ugel Njeshem, yo, I just feel for her at this moment. She was recently involved, Kesana, I don't know, it's not a car crash, but she was at the garage, ne? Seasmos, when you say garage, petrol station. So she was driving with her friend and our friend, and then they stopped by the garage to buy some snacks, you know, for the baby. And then I don't know, as she explained the story, ukuthi she forgot to put imoto yakhe, I mean the gear, kuphi abanemoto, they know what I'm talking about. But she forgot to park the car, guys, in. So the car, uthi yena, she was holding the brakes, you know, with her leg, with her foot. And then one thing escalated to another. The car just went straight to Sasol Garage, guys. Straight to Sasol Garage. Phihlizi class yangena imoto. Like, all of this in 1 week, I just feel for her shame. All of this in 1 week. It's Jackie Pamutse accusing you of being in her husband's DMs. Now you're trying to deal with that. Now your car is just crashing a Sasol garage, a whole Sasol garage, guys. You know? But Kesana, she mentioned Uguti, she was not drunk, she was just driving long distance, you know, so it could be that she was tired. We are Uguti, I was not drunk, guys. We were driving with a baby. Like, how can I be drunk driving with a baby, you know? But guess another good thing also is that she also mentioned on her Instagram stories Uguti, the owner of the manager or the owner, I don't know, but that person nje ophethe laphiyana eSasol garage was so understanding. The person was so kind, you know, like they didn't blame her for anything. They just understood nje ukuthi these things happen, like mistakes happen all the time, whether you are drunk or not, you know. But also it's a good thing that she was not drunk, because now people are going to be blaming alcohol, you know. And then she is posting about this case and explaining what happened on Instagram and stuff. Guess what? Today Jackie Pamutse, yo guys, indaba zabantu ngiyashiselwa. Today Jackie Pamutse is posting kesana laphiyana on her Instagram stories ukuthi, I can't remember the exact words, but she said something like, she said kiye mao, unyaka mao, kiye mao something, but I will insert the picture. You guys will see what she posted, ne? Which is something that shows that she is celebrating what is happening to Usindi Makatini. Like, how could you celebrate while someone is in so much distress? And okay, Lushilo, what provide proof that I was in your husband's DMs. Usho yena ukhuluma nge-Poppy Act. Poppy Act kanjani if I'm saying send me the screenshot? You are sending to me, not to the public. Okay? Send the screenshot to my DMs so that I can see where I was having a conversation with your husband. You are telling me about the Poppy Act. And then now she is celebrating, you know, posting Uguti, this is what you asked for. I guess this is what you wanted, or this is what you asked for. Kiye mau, angazi if you feel mau or something like that, guys. I don't know this language, but nje ugirl, hey, it looks like she was celebrating, guys. Please comment in the comment section down below. Do you guys think it was just a post in share, or it's just a coincidence, or really she is celebrating what is happening to Usindi Makatini? Like, your girl deserves a break, guys. You could see on her Instagram stories ukuthi she is tired, she doesn't want this anymore. It's been hard, you know, it's been a very hard week for her, but we just wish her all the best nje. Hey, we wish her all the best. Ziyasikhalela sonke, guys. Ziyasikhalela sonke. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and also share your comment in the comment section down below. Share anything that you would like to share with me, as long as it is constructive, you know. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you on my next one. Bye.